Well, hello, smooth speakers. My name is Jason and I'm from Australia. I am one of Michael's private coaching clients. I've been enrolled in the laser focused speaking program for about 8 to 9 weeks now, if I remember correctly. Now, I recently met with Michael a few days ago to speak about and to give him an update about how I was going. And he challenged me to create a video that would be shared to the wider smooth speaking community, those who do not have direct access to the private coaching sessions and consultations where we get to work with Michael directly, to sort of get a glimpse of the progress that we make when we work with Michael directly. Now, before I get into one of my most recent speaking successes, and more particularly, I'm going to spend some time talking about my daily routine and what I do to practice speaking smoothly. I want to start by talking about who I was prior to Pro90D and up until Pro90D. I was a rather shy person, very anxious, very nervous all the time, even around my family, my friends who I've known for a long time, right? And my work colleagues. To the point that I would lack confidence speaking and I would get stuck. Now, I guess a couple of months ago, I really just had enough. I had a goal of being a great communicator. I wanted to be a great communicator and I wanted to influence people. Maybe this resonates with you all too. And I guess that was a precursor for me to join Pro90D and enroll in Michael's course where I could work with him directly and expedite my progress. So I'm going to share a recent speaking success, and then I'm going to delve into the process that I use on a daily basis to reach a stage where I can speak smoothly. So a couple of days ago, I had an opportunity to present in front of many high-level employees at my company that work across different departments, managers, directors, senior associates of the like. And I got to present one of the reports that I publish every month, and I've been told that I get to present this now once a month, which is great for exposure to more presentations and opportunities to practice speaking. And I feel as though I did very well. I prepared a great presentation. I rehearsed it a few times, thought about some of the questions I might get, so I had a response to that as well. And it went for about 20 to 30 minutes. And even throughout it, I was surprising myself with how smooth I was speaking. And by the end of it, when it was question time, when I was answering questions, I was excited and totally forgot about who I was just a couple of days ago. Jason who anticipates getting stuck, Jason who gets stuck. I didn't experience any of that. And I was really excited. I felt like a great communicator, someone who I've always wanted to be. I got feedback from the audience. I even got a clap, and it wasn't a standing ovation because they were sitting down and we were in a boardroom. But I got a loud clap and I got thank yous, and people came up and said at the end that they really enjoyed how I spoke, which is great coming from high-level employees. My direct manager even heard about the great news and he wasn't there, and he thought that he'd share with me that people said to him that my presentation went great too. So that speaks volumes for my progress throughout this, throughout my smooth speaking journey and the 8 to 9 weeks I've been working with Michael directly. I've made huge progress that I would never have gotten by myself. Now, how did I get there? Now, if you listen to Michael and you follow his updates on YouTube, or you've done a course on Udemy, where you get to watch the ABCs of smooth speech, which is what I did before I joined Pro90D, you would have heard a lot about modeling. And Michael goes on and on and on about modeling, and it is so important. While you learn proactive speaking tools like extending and blending your words and inflecting more, and pausing and airflow linking, they're all great. They're all great tools that you can use in the moment that you feel as though you're going to get stuck. However, what is more important is modeling. You want to model Michael, right? You want to make a physical imprint and an emotional imprint, a mental imprint in your mind of Michael every time you speak. So that every time you speak in a daily conversation, whether it's going to pay for your fuel when you fuel up your car, or whether you're going to order something at the store, or if you're going to instigate a conversation with another colleague that you work with, you need to model, right? You need to pretend as though you are Michael Williams. You need to speak and behave as though Michael Williams would. I have done that for the last 8 to 9 weeks. Every time I speak, I make a conscious effort to do it. That's what's most important, till it becomes automatic. At the moment, it's not automatic for me. I still need to have that physical imprint and mental imprint in my mind of Michael. Now, if you are sitting here watching this video and you too want to become a great communicator, and you too want to expedite the progress of your smooth speaking journey, I implore you, I encourage you to make a free consultation to speak with Michael directly. You cannot there is nothing bad. There's nothing worse than leaving this too late, right? You're going to miss out of opportunities. What you want to do is get onto this straight away so that you can make progress now. You're going to sit there in your free consultation. You'll set out your goals for the 90 days that you work with Michael, and he will help you get there. And believe me, if it weren't for working with Michael directly and enrolling in Pro90D, I would not be where I am. I really hope that you take this video and enroll in the course with Michael, expedite your progress. When you enroll in the course, you will get to speak with the other smooth speakers who are enrolled via WhatsApp group. So the moment you enroll, you can speak with me directly, and we can share our journeys together. So I hope to hear from you, and I hope to hear about your smooth speaking journey. All right, my name is Jason, and it has been so great to speak to you today. I hope that your smooth speaking journey is a smooth one. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.